Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You've already got an account. Now jump in and open Google Calendar. Create a primary calendar labeled Classes and a secondary one for personal life, so events won't mix. Once done, set your default notification times for 10 minutes or 1 hour depending on class length. Make sure to enable device sync and calendar visibility. This prevents missed events. You're setting up boundaries, academic versus personal, so later steps stay organized and easy to manage. Now add each class as a recurring event. Choose days, time, and make it repeat weekly. Use clear titles like Bio 101 Lecture and assign colors to quickly scan your week. Attach the syllabus or assignment Google Drive links to the event so you can access materials instantly. Once you've done that, create exam blocks and study sessions as separate events and set custom reminders. Email for a week out. Mobile push 30 minutes before, so nothing sneaks up on you. Finish by sharing course calendars with classmates for collaborative scheduling. Choose view only for most, edit for group projects. Then add goals for weekly study and install helpful add-ons like Zoom or Canvas integration to auto-attach links. Make sure default notification rules are applied across calendars. If events fail to appear, first check calendar visibility and account sync on your device. Then refresh the app and verify time zone settings. Usually that resolves the common issues and keeps your schedule reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.